Hey friends, Catherine here. Today we are going to be folding an origami butterfly. And I think I want to do it from these candy papers. They're blank on one side and they've got candy printed on the other side, which I think is just awesome. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is fold it in half in all the directions, but two of the kinds of half on one side and two of the kinds of half on the other side. So half in parallels on one side of the paper, and then flip it over and do halves in diagonals on the other side of the paper. Go diagonal, diagonal. There we go. All right, now what we are going to do is, that is actually the opposite of the way that I wanted it to go. That's okay. We will just flip our folds. I have a very difficult time telling what side of the paper is going to end up being outwards when we do these opposite halves folds. But it'll all work out. Okay. There we go. Now we can fold it so that the two edges come inward and the sides open, the other sides open, the corners. Aha, there we go. That's the word that I'm looking for. The corners open outward. So that we end up with something like this, a triangle. Perfect. Okay. Now, on one side, we're going to take two of those corners and bring them up to the point. There we go, two corners up to the point. So we have something that looks like this. Then we will turn it over and bring the point and leave those two corners. Bring this point up just beyond the top, and we are going to roll it rather than creasing it, so that we end up with a curve here rather than a crease. And then we fold that tip over the top, back over. Go. Now we are going to bring in our edges just a little bit. Just there, and there, and there. Then we flip it over, and there we have, if it stays folded at the top there, there we have a butterfly. Top wings, bottom wings, everything you need. And we can shift these creases outward just a little bit. Oh, without tearing the paper, hopefully. There we go. One butterfly. That was a quick one, wasn't it? If you liked this video, definitely let me know, and I would be happy to hear suggestions of other things that you want to see me try. I'm always looking to try new things, and I put up new videos every day, so there's always something new to see. Remember to subscribe if you're interested in watching more of the things that I'm working on and trying and doing, and I will see you all another day. Bye!